guys, it's Courtney with the Kitchen Garden, and I wanted to come and talk to you a little bit about fermented radishes. And I used this really awesome kit from True Leaf Market, which was lids and a spiral ring, which helps to keep your veggies up underneath the brine. And you'll see I have some floaters here because what I chose to ferment was some French breakfast radishes that I got the seeds from Baker Creek Seed, and I grew them in the garden, and so it was what I had to harvest, and so we decided to try it out. And use the mason jar, a wide mouth mason jar that you already have on hand, which makes it very convenient. And then they also give you these lids that have this great silicone ring on it that allows things to vent a little bit. So this was our first foray into fermented veggies, and I hope it's not the last. But I wanted you to see the taste test. So they've been on the counter for 7 days, and you can see they've lost a little bit of their pink color. It's actually gone into the brine, and the brine itself is just salt and water. And so you can see my full post below about fermenting radishes. So let's give them a taste. Kind of a sauerkrauty kimchi smell. Okay, which is not a bad thing, but it's surprising since the only thing that's in there is some salt and some water. So let's grab one of these radishes here, or two. Ooh. Oh wow, that is like a pickle. That's amazing that just from salt and water that it really did, because I was thinking I needed some vinegar. But no, just from the salt and water and time on the counter, it has truly fermented, and they're delicious. They're like little crunchy pickles, and they are maintaining their crunch, which is something that I kind of worried about, which is a problem that you have anytime you get to make pickles. So is them getting soft because you're using hot water, but in this case, I let the water cool before I put it in there, and that is delicious, and I think it'll be even better if they're cold. They've been sitting on the counter this whole week. So fermented radishes is a great way to get started in fermenting because, one, radishes are super easy to grow in the garden, or you can just buy them at the grocery store. But the fact that you're just using water and salt makes it that much easier. And this kit comes with 3 rings and 3 lids, 3 coils, I should say, and 3 lids, which means you can try a few things. And the next thing on my list is a traditional sauerkraut with cabbage. It is spring, so it's not really cabbage season here, so I may actually have to buy a cabbage to try it. And I'll let you know how that turns out. But I hope you guys found this helpful, and I hope that you'll give fermented radishes a try.